In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust margins in Google Docs, step by step. Margins control the white space around your content, and adjusting them can make your document look more professional, fit more on a page, or align with printing requirements. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply so you can get perfect results every time. First, open your document, launch Google Docs, and open the file you want to edit. If it's a new document, you can paste in some sample text to see how the layout changes as you go. Next, go to Page Setup. At the top left, click File, then choose Page Setup. This is the hub for page size, orientation, and most importantly, your margins. Now set your margins. In the Page Setup window, you'll see boxes for top, bottom, left, and right. Enter the values you want. Many documents use 1-inch margins, but you can customize them to suit your needs. Smaller margins fit more text per page, while larger margins create more breathing room and can help with binding or note taking. You can use decimals too, like 0.75 inches. Depending on your locale, you might see centimeters instead. Either works the same way. When you're happy with the values, apply the changes. Click OK, and your document will update immediately. Scroll through a bit to see how the text reflows and confirm everything looks the way you expect. If you want to use these same margins in future documents, you can set them as your default. Open Page Setup again and click Set as Default. From now on, new documents will start with those margins, saving you a step every time. There's also a quick method using the ruler, great for adjusting specific sections. Highlight the text you want to affect, then look at the top ruler. Drag the small triangle markers to shift where the text starts and ends on the line. This gives you the effect of custom margins for just the selected portion without changing the entire document. Here's a helpful tip. If margin options seem to be missing or grayed out, your document is likely in pageless mode. Open Page Setup and switch from pageless to pages. Traditional page margins only appear when you're using pages, and switching back brings all those controls right where you need them. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.